Yeah, let's see. That's pretty much it. I know our color gonna be okay.
I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign.
All right. Your boy Trigger Man back in the lab. And today, what we have here, we have a Dodge Charger. We're gonna be doing the right fender, small little amount of blend room, up here we're good. A few spots down on the bumper. And they got a little too far on this end, so we're gonna go ahead and blend into the door on this one. You will notice once it's painted, there's a couple little dents up in here. The damage was over here. They went a little further, but he didn't want to go too far to have to blend into that door, which technically I think you really still should blend into that door, but the owner doesn't want to do it. And Trigger Man got to do what the owner wants me to do, so that's what I'm going to do. But I'm going to make it work. Yeah, so that's where we're at with this. Paint code PAU, and I'm sure you guys know who sprayed PAU. It's a pain in the butt. There's many different alternates, but I got something pretty close. And today we're going to be spraying that with going to do the base with the Sagola GTO, and I'm going to clear it with the 4600 Extreme. So we got little brother and big brother. They joined forces together to help me knock out this here. So I'm still trying to figure out how I want to tackle this here. So I'm just gonna freestyle it, man. I don't know offhand yet. So I'm just gonna freestyle and make something work. But anyway, go mask up, mix up, and we're gonna get to it. Boop. All right. Starting off with my base. See where I got my gun angled down. Top of that fan is barely hitting edge of that fender. Nothing along the top. Keep that gun angled down. And here I am, you know me, coverage in the first coat. Coverage. I need it. Coverage junkie. Look at that, coverage. I need it. The cookie monster when it comes to coverage, boy, in the first coat. Don't listen to Trigger, man. Trigger don't know what he's talking about. Coverage for a coat. Look at that. Look. What's wrong with that? What's wrong with that? Nah, let me stop, man. I'm just being silly. But yeah, so, little burn through. Barely pull that trigger. Barely pull the trigger. Just dust it, lightly dust it. Don't want to go throwing my color off. Don't want to throw the color off. Now resume as you were. But yeah, man, this GTO, I'm really digging it, man. Seems like I'm liking it a lot more for base for some reason. As you've seen, it does phenomenally with clear coat, but I don't know, I like it with some base. I like it for base. Man, I like it for both. I mean, it's good for both. Okay, no cap. It's good for both. I just prefer the big brother with that clear coat. You know what I mean? All right, so here we go. Going right along that edge. Look how the gun is angled. Well, no paint up there, man. With this PAU, easy mismatch, easily. See, I'm blending back into the fender. No blending towards that door yet until you got all your coverage and you're really ready. Not kind of ready, really ready. Once you got all your coverage, then you go ahead and start blending back into that towards the door. Giving just a little something on the edge there. But here we go. Right on that edge again, edge of that fender. See, no paint hitting that tape, except for that little burn where the prepper burned me. Okay, and check out how I do this blend on this door. You know the Chargers, how they have that real strong body line there. Check it out. I'm above the body line. I'm gonna hit everything around that, above the body line, and then I'm gonna come down and go vertical right there vertical along that body line, and then right up under the body line. So I'm basically blending all around that whole little circle there. I bet you ain't never tried that before. Drop in the comments, let me know. You spray the charger, blend in the door. Have you ever done it that way? Oh yeah, Trigger, man, I do that all the time, man. Man, come on, man. Quit capping, man. Come on, man. Be for real. You did it like that before? Drop in the comments and let me know. I know everybody done painted the charger. Everybody done painted the charger. Let me know if y'all blend them doors like that. Or is that tacky? Or is that a rookie move that Trigger Man making? Okay, so now here we go into this door. Now that's what I was saying. Now I do my little blend. Now I go ahead and give a little flicker. Now I do my little blend. Man, so elegantly. All right, off to the clear coat. On the clear, I'm using the that titanium cap with a 1.2. Not even the 1.2 XL. I have a 1.2 in there. I was like, let me try it. And this sucker was moving, man. This sucker was really moving. With a 1.2. Not the 1.2 XL. 1.2. Boy, these damn 4600 Extreme. They got the right name for them too, boy. Extreme. These suckers are extremely fast. 4600 extremely fast. Yeah, y'all heard it first. I know they're gonna be saying it now. They're gonna be saying it.
Trigger Man, man, you need to calm your butt down, man. What the hell you on? Some damn Adderall in there, Trigger Man? Man, you getting a little cocky on this one, brother. You getting a little cocky. Man, calm your ass down, Trigger Man. Come on, brother. Sucker looking good though, man. It's moving pretty fast for a 1.2. I will admit. Jeez, that sucker moving like a 1.4, man. And you got that hot ass 100-degree old school booth and you moving like that with a 1.2? Man, those goddamn Sagolas, boy. Oof. That Extreme. I see what you mean when you say that's the big brother. You got the little brother and the big brother, huh? Tag teaming on that thing, man. Yeah, that sucker looking nice. Even one coat looking nice, man. You can leave that sucker right there. Yeah, it look good though, Trigger. But Trigger, I'm gonna say, man, I'm actually disappointed on this one, Trigger. I'm disappointed, brother. It's been a long time since you really let me down, and I'm sad to say it, man, but I gotta keep it real, Trigger. I don't like something in this video, man. I really don't like something in this video, and I think everybody knows what it is, Trigger. Man, you got the goddamn mirror on there. You got the door handle messed up. Trigger. You know that stuff infuriates me, man. So on this one, Trigger, you get a big thumbs down from the Trigger Troll. Since that's what everybody call me, Trigger Troll. You get a thumbs down, brother. You get no love on this one, Trigger. As a matter of fact, for old time's sake, Trigger, I think I'm gonna unsubscribe.
So coming around the corner on this last coat of clear. Well, I'm telling you, this thing is goddamn like Speedy Gonzalez. What was that noise Speedy Gonzalez used to make? Meep, meep. Nah, hold on, goddamn it. That was the Road Runner. What Speedy Gonzalez used to do? Meep, nah. That was the Coyote. Or the Road Runner. Goddamn, what, damn, Speedy Gonzalez. Oh, yipa, andale. Pew! Yeah, boy. That was Sagola here, goddamn. Speedy Gonzalez. Andale, mira. I don't know, man. Y'all know what I'm talking about, though. Y'all old school. Y'all know about Speedy Gonzalez. This here is Speedy Gonzalez here. And the DV1 is his cousin. Let me know if y'all remember what Speedy Gonzalez's cousin was, the slow one. That's the DV1. I ain't gonna say it. But, yeah, that's what we looking like, man. Yeah, Speedy Gonzalez's cousin, the slow mouse, that's the DV1. What was his name? Yeah, so that's what we looking like. Dab on them. Bop. All right. That's what we looking like outside. There's color. Good color match. Say, we kept everything right here on this edge. No paint, nothing up here. That's where it's supposed to be. That's how you do it. No problem with a color match on this. No problemo. You know, I dusted that, misted that little mist there. No problem. No problem. Well, that's pretty much it, man. That's pretty much it. That's all she wrote. Your boy Trigger, signing off. Catch y'all in the next one. This is the next day, next morning, all washed, clean, ready to go. No cut, no buff, no fluff. Now you can see the actual blend around that whole little circle there, that hard body line they got there. Everything blended fine, man. Everything blended and send it. So yeah, on those circles right there, man, on those chargers, like I love to do a blend right off of that. You know what I mean? That's like a 3-dimensional, 3D damn perfect spot for a blend. You know, even on the toughest color, you know, you go around that body line right there, and like, man, it's like magic. You take something that's night and day, and it'll work. Not too far off, but it'll work. You know, you got something that you normally couldn't blend right in the middle of a door or middle of a panel. You get around that edge, keep it right on that edge, man, it'll work every time. It'll work every time. Ask me how I know. You dig. But anyway, it's your boy Trigger signing off. Please like, share, subscribe. I ask that you would please tell a friend. And after doing so, if you could please tell his girlfriend. Peace.